It did 60 reasonably. That gear was so long.
You were at one gear for a
Well, I don't know, because when I yanked, it was just like, I felt like I didn't grab the gear, like maybe I missed, or I was late. I don't really know. It was just sitting on limiter, lights were all red. Like, yeah, it was botch. It was botch run for sure. But
because like outside, it sounded.
It sounded
like you were in one gear for like 200 feet.
I'll talk to you guys before you guys.
It like left, it was just
it felt all weird. Everything about that felt terrible because it was all rushed. Like it just, that's whatever. Went down.
Dude, that feel good?
Yeah, I mean, it went into every gear, so it felt much better than.
That shit looks so fucking fast, dude.
Yeah. It'd be nicer if I wasn't having to fight the wheel, if I could just relax straight, having to.
I had you a little bit left, and then it just.
Well,
kinda,
both runs were the same. I mean, I'm 90 degrees on the wheel all the way out the
Yeah,
top.
you can see in the in-car, he's like,
We could try to. We'll hop in the other lane with the next pass just so we can
See the
sure it's
difference.
pulling.
Yeah. Yeah. 2 shoots hitting so hard. I knew they both worked that time. Smooth? No hop?
no.
Yeah, it looks slow. 'Cause
Like from our perspective,
it looks so slow because it's just. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, on shutdown, I had to take my eyeballs off the visor and stick them back in.
You saying?
Oh, who's come?